There are many things that find their way into drains in a facility that can cause it to clog or drain very slowly. Some of the most common clogs result from hair, grease, or soap scum. The best drain cleaner may be preventive maintenance. The most often clogged drain is the kitchen sink. Kitchen sink stoppages are usually caused by liquid fats emulsified by warm soapy dishwasher and then carried through the drain pipes. As the water cools, it proceeds down the drain line and leaves the fatty deposits along the piping. A film of grease forms on the pipe wall and so on. Coffee grounds, eggshells, etc. add to this accumulation layer until the pipe becomes impassable. And not only that, buildup often makes drain pipes smell awful. Usually 4 to 8 ounces of a drain treatment product to each drain on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. This preventive maintenance program helps prevent future clogging of the drain lines and suppresses foul drain odors. For example, enzymes drain treatment products are used by most of our customers in their kitchen, particularly on their sink drain lines and their floor drain lines. These problematic drain lines often accumulate a tremendous amount of fat, grease, and oil from food processing. This food processing waste leads to slow-running drains and odor problems. Enzyme drain cleaners contain bacteria cultures and concentrated enzymes that react with organic residue that builds up on the sewer pipes. Dissolving this residue prevents slow-running drains. Mark's part number 28553 Liquid Enzyme is a concentrated liquid blend of fast-acting grease and waste-digesting bacteria and safe biodegradable grease and soil removers to eliminate drain line buildup and to control odors. This great product does not contain any harsh or harmful acids, caustics, or solvents. Our liquid enzyme continues its grease-digesting action in kitchen drain traps and sewer lines. Plus, it improves the performance of cesspools, septic tanks, and drain fields. It's safe for you to use on all types of drainage plumbing. Mark's liquid enzyme may also be used to digest the source of odors on surfaces in restrooms, loading docks, dumpsters, and livestock areas. It can also be used on fabrics or rugs to eliminate pet odor. In addition to our quart bottles, we also stock it in gallon bottles as well as a 5-gallon container. The advantages of enzyme drain cleaners are they are safe to use in a wide range of plumbing fixtures. They offer a low environmental impact and a low cost and ease of use. Disadvantages of most enzymatic drain cleaners include longer cleaning times compared to the other drain cleaners because enzyme cleaners rely on liquid flowing through the pipe to disperse. They are also generally not intended to open completely clogged drain lines. We also have powdered enzymes. Mark's number 04281 for a 1-pound container and 04287 for a 25-pound can. Powdered enzymes are typically used to treat septic systems, but may also be used to treat grease traps the same as liquid enzymes. The Mark's enzymes will work in both aerobic and non-aerobic septic systems.